Staircase pressurization serves as a smoke-free evacuation during a fire. Staircase pressurization uses a pressure difference across the door to control the movement of smoke to prevent smoke infiltration. Wisma Mustafa Kamal has stairwells that serve for routine building access and as emergency exits in the event of a fire. Airflow through the gaps around the door prevents smoke infiltration to the high pressure side. Wisma Mustafa Kamal uses the multiple injection systems, which are superior in dealing with the variability of smoke effect and the unpredictability of door openings and closings in the stairwell. In the event of a fire, the fan operates to keep the stairwell smoke-free. The elevator pressurization systems are intended to prevent smoke from flowing through the elevator shaft and threatening life on floors remote from a fire. The smoke spill system is designed to control the movement of smoke during a fire. District cooling system is the production and distribution of chilled water to facilitate air conditioning. This system uses water to lower the temperature of air to provide cool air conditioning. The smoke detector is a commercial security device which issues a signal to a fire alarm control panel as part of the fire alarm system. A break glass call point is a device which enables personnel to raise the alarm by breaking the frangible element on the fascia. The fireman intercom serves as a communication between the master console and the remote stations, which are usually handled by firemen. It allows firefighters to immediately change their strategy to fight a fire. The fire control panel offers control through a fire alarm system. Sensors are installed throughout the building and will redirect information to the control panel, including detection of a fire. In turn, this will alert workers inside the building if a potential fire is detected. The fire switch is used by firemen to turn off high voltage or other electrical equipment in case of fire to prevent overheated equipment from exploding. In Wisma Mustafa Kamal, the wet pipe sprinkler system is utilized where it constantly contains water in them so it can act as a quick response to fire. Wet risers are used to supply water within buildings for firefighting purposes and are permanently charged with water. There are two types of fire extinguishers in Wisma Mustafa Kamal. These are Class ABC extinguishers, which is suitable with all three classes of fire, as well as carbon dioxide extinguishers, which can prevent the spreading of fire through neutralizing oxygen. The hose reel is a first aid to firefighting, which is intended for use by the building's occupants. It produces considerably more water than several portable extinguishers. A fire-rated door is a door with fire resistance and are fitted with closers that causes the door to close automatically. Emergency staircases are the main means of escape. They serve as an emergency exit in case of fire. The emergency exit signs and lights are among the most important parts of the building safety system. It glows green in color in order to guide people towards the building's exit. Wisma Mustafa Kamal uses geared traction elevators. These geared traction elevators are driven by AC/DC electric motors. The traction machine is powered by AC/DC electrical motors and it is used to turn the sheave which moves the elevator car. Technically, one of the steel rope is enough to hold up both car and counterweight. The rest are there as backup. However, in case that none of the ropes help in an emergency, the machine has a built-in failsafe. There is a governor located beside the motor with its own set of pulley and cable attached to the car. A governor is an elevator device which acts as a halting device in case the elevator runs beyond the rated speed. There are two spring-loaded metal hooks called flyweight inside the governor. If a car free-falls or the governor spins too fast, the centrifugal force pushes the hooks out to seize the ratchets fixed on the inner rim of the governor to stop the pulley. This locks the brakes.